For anyone serious about bushcraft, having the right knife is essential for mastering outdoor skills like shelter building, fire starting, and food preparation. A high-quality bushcraft knife is your most reliable tool when navigating the wild. With so many options on Amazon, it can be tough to know where to start. That's why we've handpicked the 10 ultimate bushcraft knives on Amazon for 2024, each selected for its durability, functionality, and craftsmanship. Get ready to discover the perfect knife that will elevate your outdoor experience and help you thrive in nature. Let's dive in.
When it comes to bushcraft knives, the Wright Genesis stands out as a true powerhouse, earning high praise from experts in the field. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, this knife is designed to tackle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Measuring a robust 9 inches long and featuring a Scandi grind, the Genesis is built for durability and reliability in the wilderness. Every aspect of its construction is meticulously crafted, with epoxy sealing not only the scales but also every piece of hardware, ensuring a completely sealed handle that enhances the knife's longevity. Forged from tough A to steel, the blade boasts exceptional resilience and rust resistance, maintaining its sharpness even in the harshest conditions. With a ground to 0-degree angle and a hard micro-buffed edge, the Genesis delivers unmatched cutting performance. The handle, crafted from micarta, offers superior grip even when wet, while its matte finish reduces glare for enhanced visibility in bright sunlight. Thumb scallops along the blade's spine provide a comfortable and secure grip in any position, further enhancing its versatility. An additional standout feature is the sharpened spine, allowing users to strike a ferro rod or other fire-starting tool without compromising the cutting edge. In summary, the Wright Genesis is a top-tier bushcraft knife that excels in durability, performance, and reliability, making it an essential tool for any wilderness adventurer. The BPS Adventurer CSHF emerges as another top contender in the realm of bushcraft knives, earning accolades from experts for its exceptional performance and reliability in the wild. Crafted from 1066 carbon steel, this knife boasts remarkable toughness and durability, with a hardness rating of 5759 HRC, ensuring it maintains a sharp edge and withstands the rigors of bushcraft tasks. One of its standout features is the walnut wood handle, which not only adds a touch of elegance but also offers superior ergonomics and a comfortable grip, making prolonged use a breeze even in challenging conditions. Additionally, the knife comes complete with a sheath and ferro rod, providing added convenience for carrying and starting fires during outdoor adventures. Tested rigorously in various bushcraft scenarios, including wood carving, game skinning, shelter building, and cooking, the BPS Adventurer CSHF consistently delivers reliable performance. Its versatility and dependability make it more than just a tool. It becomes an indispensable companion on any bushcraft expedition, earning the trust and recommendation of seasoned outdoor enthusiasts and experts alike. The Bark River Mountaineer too emerges as a top-tier choice among bushcraft enthusiasts, earning high praise from experts for its exceptional durability, performance, and comfort features tailored for outdoor exploration. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this knife boasts a handle made of canvas or linen micarta material, providing exceptional comfort and grip security, crucial for maintaining control during wet conditions encountered in wilderness tasks like shelter construction or fire starting. The Mountaineer 2's blade, crafted from CPM crewware steel, is renowned for its durability and sharpness, enabling precise cuts through various materials with ease, from ropes to branches. With its plain-edge design, it ensures optimal cutting efficiency in diverse bushcraft scenarios. For added convenience, the Mountaineer 2 comes complete with a genuine leather sheath, ensuring effortless transportation and safe storage of your knife. Whether you're cooking, shelter building, or facing emergencies in the wild, the Bark River Mountaineer 2 proves to be an indispensable tool, combining comfort, durability, and performance to meet the demands of outdoor endeavors with ease and confidence. Next up is the Tops B.O.B Fieldcraft, a formidable fixed-blade bushcraft knife born from the expertise of the Brothers of Bushcraft, a group of seasoned outdoorsmen hailing from North America. Crafted from robust 1095 high carbon steel, This blade is built to endure the rigors of bushcraft adventures with unwavering durability and resilience. From chopping wood to skinning game and carving utensils, the Topps B.O.B. Fieldcraft excels in every task with effortless precision and undeniable style, complemented by its sleek black finish that enhances protection against rust and corrosion. The handle, constructed from G10 material, strikes the perfect balance between lightweight, comfort and unyielding grip, ensuring optimal performance even in the most challenging conditions. Weighing just 9.73 ounces, it's light enough for easy portability, while still maintaining the ruggedness required for demanding bushcraft tasks. Proudly made in the USA, the Topps B.O.B. Fieldcraft knife embodies unparalleled quality and meticulous craftsmanship. Whether you're constructing shelters, kindling fires, or preparing meals in the wilderness, this knife stands as a testament to excellence, making it the ultimate choice for dedicated bushcraft enthusiasts seeking superior performance and reliability. Condor's reputation for quality is exemplified in the Bush Glider, a top-tier bushcraft knife highly acclaimed by experts. Crafted by the renowned Joe Flowers, this fixed-blade knife is a dependable companion for outdoor pursuits. With a length of 9 inches and weighing a mere 6.3 ounces, it strikes the perfect balance between portability and versatility, excelling in tasks ranging from rope cutting to food preparation, wood carving, and shelter construction. Forged from resilient 1095 carbon steel, the blade boasts exceptional edge retention and durability. Its clip-point style, coupled with a swedge for enhanced balance, facilitates effortless piercing and slicing. The handle, crafted from high-impact plastic, ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, thanks to its textured design. Included with the Bush Glider is a lightweight yet durable polymer sheath, meticulously designed to securely hold the knife during transportation while providing reliable protection against the elements. With its superior craftsmanship and unwavering performance, the Condor Bush Glider stands as a testament to excellence in bushcraft knives, earning its place as a trusted companion for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike.
The Gerber Principle fixed blade knife is built for tackling all sorts of outdoor tasks with ease. Its 3.1-inch full-tang blade, made of 428C stainless steel with a Scandinavian grind, is tough and reliable. With its drop-point blade profile, it's perfect for wood tasks and can be easily sharpened. The 90-degree spine allows for easy fire starting with various striking rods. Plus, the ergonomic rubber overmold handle ensures comfort during extended use. It comes with a polymer sheath equipped with a triple mounting system, making it easy to carry in different ways, like on your leg or attached to your gear. If you need a versatile bushcrafting knife that's up for any challenge, the Gerber Principle is a great choice. The CRKT Saker is designed for serious bushcrafting, boasting an impressive blade geometry and balance. Crafted from durable 1075 carbon steel, the 4.53-inch blade is perfect for cutting wood with ease. Whether you're building shelters or carving, this knife makes the task enjoyable. With a true Scandi grind drop-point blade that's 0.14 inches thick and finished with a beautiful satin finish, it's both functional and attractive. The handle, made of quality wood, feels great in your hand, allowing for comfortable extended use. This knife also comes with a thick, high-quality leather sheath and a special bushcraft accessory tool. This tool is versatile, aiding in tasks like wedging, prying, collecting pitch, starting fires, and more. When you're out bushcrafting, you need a reliable tool like the Schrade CSHF 36 Frontier. Its full-tang 5.05-inch blade is made of tough 1095 high-carbon steel, coated in black powder for durability and resistance to corrosion. What sets this knife apart is its versatile spine, which can be used as a striker for starting fires with a ferro rod. Whether you're building shelters or chopping wood, this knife is up to the task. The textured handle provides a secure grip in any weather, and the black nylon sheath with a Velcro loop makes it easy to carry on your belt or gear. Plus, the sheath has a storage pouch containing a ferro rod, striker, and sharpening stone, ensuring you're prepared for anything. So next time you're venturing into the wilderness, don't forget to bring along the Schrade CSHF 36 Frontier for all your bushcrafting needs. The Morakniv Bushcraft Survival Black Sea is a must-have for any serious bushcraft enthusiast. Its 4.3-inch Swedish carbon steel blade stays sharp and has a strong tip, making it perfect for splitting, kindling, and carving. Plus, the blade is coated with tungsten DLC for extra durability against wear and rust. The knife's ergonomic rubber handle provides a comfortable grip, feeling like a natural extension of your hand. The sturdy plastic sheath includes an integrated diamond sharpener, capable of up to 7,000 strokes, and a weatherproof Morakniv fire starter that can produce a 3,000 degrees Celsius spark in any conditions. With everything you need in one package, the Morakniv Bushcraft Survival Black Sea is essential for anyone living the bushcraft lifestyle. The top spot goes to the Becker BK2 Campanion, a rugged and powerful tool that enhances your survival skills during bushcrafting. Its 5.25-inch blade is crafted from tough 1095 Crovan steel, ensuring durability and strength. With a factory 20-degree edge and flat grind, it's sharp right out of the box. The blade boasts a sleek dark epoxy coating for added protection and aesthetics. At 0.26 inches thick, it excels at carving and chopping wood, and it's easy to sharpen as needed. The handle offers a comfortable grip thanks to contoured Zytel scales, making it easy to wield even with larger hands. It comes with a polyester sheath and belt loop for convenient carrying options. Plus, its versatile design allows it to be used as a spear if needed. Whether you're a bushcrafting enthusiast or an avid explorer, the Becker BK2 Campanion is sure to become your trusted companion on all your outdoor adventures. That wraps up our rundown of the top 5 bushcraft knives for survival. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking, commenting, and sharing it with your friends. Thanks for tuning in.